Welcome to 𝗚J Physio's Physio Online. This is Krishna, Senior Physiotherapist at the 𝗚J Physio Clinics. So today I'm going to talk about whiplash injury. I'm just going to give you an overview on what whiplash is and what are the signs and symptoms that you can experience after a whiplash injury. So when you have a motor vehicle accident, either it could be a hit from the back, a rear ending, or a two-wheeler accident, the first thing that happens is when you're moving in a momentum, when you get hit, your body goes back and forth. So your neck just gets whipped back and forth, and that's what we call it as a whiplash injury. In simple terms, it's a cervical strain or a neck strain. So what happens when there is a neck strain? When the force is a little bit less, it's a jerk and you feel fine. But sometimes when the force is more, the strain can be long lasting. It doesn't feel good. So what happens when you have a whiplash? Maybe the first day your body is in shock, you don't feel anything. The pain normally starts after a few hours or sometimes a day or 2 days after the accident, and it can last anywhere from 3 months to 6 months. So let's talk about what are the signs and symptoms of whiplash injury. So when you look at the alignment of the neck, when there is a whiplash, the structures here, so the nerves, the muscles that are surrounding around this area can get strained. So the first thing that you experience is pain. It can be anywhere in the neck. It can radiate up to the shoulders or it can go up to the mid-back section from the neck. The second symptom that you experience is stiffness. So stiffness of the muscles or stiffness or the ligaments and the joints can reduce your mobility. You may have issues with turning, you may have issues with looking up, or you may have issues with looking down. You feel stiff all over and it feels that the mobility is totally reduced and you have to put extra effort or energy to turn the neck. The third symptom that you feel is pain, tingling and numbness going around in the hand or going up to the skull. So when the muscles are strained, the nerves get pinched, or there can be a herniated disc that can pinch the nerve and cause some numbness or tingling sensation, either going up to the head or to the shoulders or to the upper extremities. It can go on either side. If you experienced pain, numbness, decreased mobility or headache after a motor vehicle accident, chances are you might have suffered a whiplash. When you suffered a whiplash, what can you do? If it is very severe, you have dizziness and you have lost consciousness during the car accident, first thing is go to the emergency. If it is a minor whiplash and you're experiencing the symptoms that started after 1 or 2 days of the accident, you can directly come visit a physiotherapist. You need to seek early intervention and get treated properly and get rehabbed well for these symptoms to recover completely. If you do not do that, you might lead to chronic pain, which means a pain that lasts more than 6 months will never get better after that, and it's only management, but there is no treatment for chronic pain. So we at 𝗚J Physio, we offer physiotherapy treatment. We also offer massage services and acupuncture services through direct billing to ICBC insurance company. So you can directly avail these services under one umbrella at 𝗚J Physio Clinic. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any further questions or if you would like to book a free 15-minute teleconsultation with one of our physios to take more information or to plan your treatment plan, you can very well do this. Please like, share and subscribe our 𝗚J Physio's YouTube channel. Thank you.